What's up, everybody? Let me start off by saying good morning. Well, not good morning. It's morning for me, but for you guys, when you guys see this, it's probably gonna be like around like 8 o'clock. But anyways, I'm starting off today with a few deliveries. I have since I told you guys that the new batch of sweaters and decals and all that will be dropped Saturday, which was yesterday. We got those done, stayed late for those. I packed everything up, everything's ready to go. I have a few of them in the back that I gotta go deliver. I gotta pick up 2 more that I forgot about. There's 2 more I gotta pick up then deliver later. But after I'm done with all that, I'm actually happy. My fog lights came in, and today's actually not that cold out. It's snowing, but it's like almost like 40 degrees outside, so it's kind of weird. But yeah, since it's not that cold outside, we're gonna try to put on the visors one more time. But we are gonna install the fog lights, even though I don't have no HIDs for it because Angel Build's closed today. But the fog lights are here. We're gonna install them, and I heard there's supposedly factory wiring done to the car that my style doesn't come with, that I have to get an adapter. So we're gonna see how this works. If not, then I'm actually have to do it with the aftermarket button, which I don't want to do. I want to have a straight one to switch. However it works, it's gonna work. I want my fog lights installed. I don't like seeing that black cap on there. So yeah, guys, stay tuned, and we're gonna keep going on with our day. Alright, so we just got back to the garage, but we're gonna do this as quick as possible because for some reason, somehow, some way, it kind of got colder in here again than it is outside. So the heater's on, all 3 of the heaters are on, and it still feels cold. And plus, well, I don't know if you guys can see it, but the car's mostly frozen. So we're gonna do it as quick as possible. Anthony's on his way here to help me out so we can bang this out even quicker, but let's get into it. I can see it, but I got like 1, 2, 3, 4, probably about like 6 clips that I'm supposed to take out, but there was more. But I'm guessing whoever had the car before decided to take some clips out. As you can see, like there's missing one right here, right here, right here, right here. But yeah, so let's take out the clips that we have to take out and see if we can just, what else we gotta take off from the top and just pull this off. I'm guessing there was less clips than I expected. I only took out like 3 I think it was. Yeah, I think there was like 3 or 4 that I took out, and instead of like the 6 that I said there was. But we're gonna drop the car now and take off the clips on the top, take out the 2 screws, and see if we can pull the bumper out. Alright, we're gonna take out the 2 bolts, one on this side, one on the other side. That uses the bumper from the fender, and then after that, we're gonna take the clips off from the top where the grill is, and hopefully we should pull it back out. I heard that the bumper is hard to pull off, and then it feels like you're gonna break something, but you actually don't. So I hope I don't break anything. But yeah, let's take these bolts, let's take the 2 screws out, and then the clips, and hopefully we don't break anything.
So I thought I needed So I thought I needed.
Alright, so here we can tell we have about 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say we're gonna take these 2 out as well. So 6 clips, and supposedly the grill should come out. Well, not come out, but come loose, and then the whole bumper just pulls off completely. guys can see, the grill is loose from the rat support. So we're gonna try to pull off the bumper now, and hopefully we don't break anything. Let's pray to God that nothing happens. But let's give this a try. That just scared the fuck out of me. Alright, so one side's out. Now we're gonna move on to the other side. Scared the fuck out of me. So I guess we're missing a clip somewhere, so I'm gonna put the cart back up in the air and check what clip is missing. Alright, so we got the bumper off. There was a clip missing on the bottom of the bumper that I forgot about, and Anthony decided to open the box and we found out there was yo, shut the fuck up, nigga. Okay, anyways, we found out there were screws missing from the fog light, so I had to go inside to get some screws. But he's trying, Mr. Electrician over here is trying to wire up these fog lights without the plug, because the plug that was supposed to be there is not there. Evan, you think you got this? He can't even find a fucking screwdriver. And here we have a rat clawing into his hole. Nigga, why are you trying to eat the bumper though? Alright, so we just got the fog lights on, and Anthony said he likes these fog lights. Right, Anthony? But yeah, they look good. I'm not gonna lie. Anthony, do they look like the factory ones? You know more about cars than me. Huh? Do they look like the factory ones? Kind of. Yeah, so now we're gonna do the wiring and then we'll put the bumper back on. Alright, so we got the fog lights on. We're trying to do the wiring, but this harness came with like 80 plugs and we don't know what they go to. And Anthony's inside trying to run the relay and all that other stuff while I do the wiring in the front. Well, he's taking off plastics and I'm hearing things break already. He's trying to figure out how the plastic comes off. Well, we're gonna keep running wiring now, and then hopefully my car doesn't catch on fire because of Anthony.
So I thought I needed. Thought I needed. So I thought I needed.
We've only been here for like 2 hours trying to do the wires. 2 hours. Never buy eBay fog lights.
Go to Angelville.
Like he said, go to Angelville. Fucking button.
Right, and you don't sell this shit.
Damn. This fucking
the whole
button.
Kit, though, the whole kit, like wiring and all that shit.
He does
Does
it
he?
hard. Yeah, he does.
Then you cheap as shit.
I'm not keeping shit. He don't got the fog lights though. Damn. Anyway, the fucking button was too big for the car. The button that the car uses, like, that big compared to this shit. So we had to wire it a whole different way. It still has a relay, it still has a fuse. We're just running it instead of a button. It's the switch is the corner light, not the corner light, the strip on the bottom. That's the switch that we're using. But it's all together now. It's actually turning on. But we're about to go to Integral now and pick up some fog light HIDs. The HIDs for the fog lights. Yeah. Because I can't drive around with these yellow ass, stock ass, ugly ass bulbs.
Yo, dime, mano, que tú agarres de edad y yo corriendo con la corriente. Para que quede mucho sabor.
Yup. Shit's not even focused, bro. Out of focus. You gotta put a symbol right. Damn, I even gotta teach these guys how to use it. There we go. Hey guys, we're on our way to Angel's new shop to pick up the fog lights. Yeah, why you zooming into my face, bro? Damn. Look at that fine ass nigga right there.
Ok, mi gente. No es apaguetado, eh. No, aquí.
Yes, all that parking right there. All this parking right here.
Front office door.
Holy shit, I was about to leave. I turned off the heat. I was here since 10 o'clock in the morning.
You cold, bro?
No.
I got it. Yeah, I got this. Yeah, we about to ball. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit, alright, so we just got our HIDs from Angelville right now. We're gonna head back over to the garage. Alright, so we just made it back to the garage. Anthony's starting to disassemble, to assemble the fog light. The HIDs
Get
are.
the fuck out of here. I'm hungry.
He's hungry, so he's trying to get the fuck out of here. So I will show you guys a little bit how you guys install HIDs. Well, a lot of people know, but some people don't. So there's a little how-to video on how to do the fog lights and HIDs on the Accord. So let's get into it.
And you connect it like this. And this one like this. This one goes from the bulb to the HID box, positive and negative. Then you grab this right here. There's this one. Right? This one goes, no. Matter of fact, this one. There's another positive, negative that goes from the box into the bulb. And you connect it like this. Make sure you put it right. It has the positive, the positive and the negative right here. Then it have the negative and the positive on the plug. And you connect it. Make sure it clicks. Then what you do is you grab the bulb. Take this thing out right here. It has different T's right here that goes into the light. And then you try to look for the one that fits right. And that's one fits right. It's all the way in. And you twist it. So we got this plug right here that goes into the one from the car. Then you look for the one that's right, positive and negative. And you look what side is positive and negative. And you plug it in. And that's it, we're done.
Alright guys, so Anthony left now and I pretty much left putting all the clips on and everything else. We actually finished up the car. We had a little bit of issues putting the bumper back on, but we got it back on. The HIDs are on. As you guys seen, he gave you guys a little tutorial how to install the HIDs. Fog light assembly's on. There was no problem with that. The only problem we had was the wiring, because the button was too big to actually work. But all the wiring worked, but the button was too big for the hole where the factory button was supposed to go. So we ran the whole different way. We used another switch to turn on the lights. It still has the relay, still has the fuse. Everything's still on. Like I said, everything went out good, except for the bumper. We had a little issue putting the bumper on because of the way where we put the fog light boxes, the HID balances. We mounted them in some place we couldn't put them, but everything worked good. Yeah, now I'm all install the little the clips that are left, and yeah, that's pretty much it.
You make
As you guys can tell, I moved some of the clips around so I can actually get this nice and sturdy on, because how it was before, it was loose. So I moved some of the clips around. There was only four clips. So probably gonna buy some more later on and put them on, just so I can have it nice and sturdy. It's pretty good right now, but yeah, I'm bringing the car down, show you guys the HIDs and the fog lights, and pretty much end this video there. Alright guys, so I want to thank everybody one more time for all the support you guys are giving me. This was a little quick how-to video to install fog lights on a 2013-2015 Honda Accord. This is an LX model, so it doesn't come with fog lights. Using the eBay fog light assemblies and installing Angel Bill HIDs. You guys got a quick view of Angel Bill's shop, and like I said, Angel, thank you for the HIDs. Bling, thank you for being there on a Sunday. And yeah, thanks for all the support, guys. Stay tuned for more videos and more how-to videos and what we're gonna be doing. Like I said yesterday, the new clothing, the sweaters and the hoodies, windbreakers, and decal were released. I still have a few orders that I have to give out, and I still have a few in stock that I can hand out for those that want to order. If you guys want to order, DM me on Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, any of those. But yeah, thank you for all the support, guys. Stay blessed.